Okay, I'll just stay here. So it's getting to the doorstep here. Oh, oh, oh my. It's, this is higher than the last time I did. Actually, than when I was at 7. Yeah. Here, okay. Ooh, that part looks like the rice fields in your area in Pangasinan. When it was at 7 p.m. at 7 or 7:30, that was about to get to our step. It was at the borderline of the sidewalk and our place, where that line is at 7 a.m. Then now it's just getting on the stairs. My goodness! Oh my goodness! I can handle the rain. Fine, whatever. Let me see if I can go closer. Oh, you just see slowly. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay. Wait, is that mine? Oh no, oh no. It's my neighbor's base. My neighbor is driving. Well, it's not raining much, but oh my goodness. Walking through here, my slippers on. Sidewalk is flooded. Excuse me, what's going on? Excuse me, what happened? Did something happen? What happened? Oh, I hope. Oh, I'm sorry about that. So, what do you think of this storm? I've never seen this flood before. Oh my. Oh boy. This is knee-deep water. Wow, look at that. Ooh, scary. They're canoeing. Where are they go? Where are they going? They're going to the dead end. What's going on? Oh. Nice synchronization. Oh. Their garage is safe. Ours isn't. Yeah. Oh, Basil, can you get the camera upstairs, please? I have something on my hand, so.
4 pants, right? Do you have 4 pants? Dean, this one.
I'll just go all over. Oh, this is a mold problem here.
Same sizes and it is the same up in. Okay. I need to reach this up. 8 to yeah.
Ooh, this is the... Uh-oh. Well, this is the driest part. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm coming.